បទពិសោធន៍ជិះឡានក្រុងវិញចាមានកម្រងមកលើមកមើលថ្ងៃលិចថ្ងៃរះចូលម៉ូតូតាំងម៉ោង5កន្លះម៉ោង7 6កន្លះនៅដល់យើងជាក់ទឹកមិញជាក់ខ្លាំងដូចខ្ទង់14ជាក់ជិះម៉ូតូមកចង់កក់នេះអសហ្នឹងចំហាយទឹកនេះឃើញឡើងចំហាយទឹកសួរគេហាញទឹកទឹកក្តៅឡើងមកដល់កំពូលប្រាសាទហើយភាពមើលពីខាងលើ
យើងមានសិទ្ធិដាក់បាល់តែនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងទេក្នុងករណីយើងវាយទៅលេបបោលមកវិញ14 ឡូពោះមកដល់នេះយើងមានសិទ្ធិយកបាល់ហ្នឹងមកដាក់កន្លែងហ្នឹងវិញប៉ុន្តែយើងរាប់បាទតែបាល់ពុកត្រឹម
ដល់ប្តីមុនម្ដងមើលវាយទៅកុំឲ្យ10 ដងលេងហើយ1 2វាយសាហាវមក
ខ្លាំងណាស់5
អុកកាត់វៃមកមើលអាប់ពោប្តីនាំមកមើលអីគេអាប់ពោ Visitor Center ខ្មែរឬបរទេសទេមួយនេះ$10ដើម្បីយើងចូលមើលអាប់ពោហើយគេមានភួងដូចជាពី10កន្លះមួយនិយាយទៅគេមានធួគេ
That's the idea why we work with rat. The way we get them to work, we need to control them. We don't let them run around freely, by themselves, or we don't do oral command. Yes. So what we do, we carve the minefield up into small grid first. So one grid is about 5 meters wide, 20 meters long. Every one rat need to work with 2 people. So 2 rat handlers have to control and step right on top, just with our weight pressuring on the top. At least about 5 kilograms is enough to trigger the item. So children can also trigger this one. The way this one works, normally it doesn't contain that big of metal piece inside, so not a lot of fragmentation gonna splash. It's the chemical explosion that normally explode, tend to target the lower part, tend to work to injure the lower part of the body. Right on top, pressure in the. Please try not to touch Amanda just yet. You may take photos and have a close-up look on her. She's a big girl, 1.2 kilograms and 5 years old. Not that young. Or you can say it's almost time for pension. She doesn't even want to go and sleep on that one. It's not a landmine. We need to do anything to that. That's also what we want our rat to do. Nothing smell like landmine, no need to worry. The whiskers can help collect the moisture, the smell, fragrance of the nose. Okay, can she find that item? Yeah, she found it. That's an indication that she found an item. It's by scratching on the surface. Also, we get some reward. Banana. A yummy reward.
Yummy banana.
Today look like Amanda's friend. Glenn is a bit old now.
Camera. Okay. Hai. Tak. Okay, sip.
109 landmarks.
នេះបុកមាន់សៀមរាបនេះបុកមាន់ឆាក់ឡើងកែបទៅពីរនាក់អីចឹងពីរមុខអូខេដើម្បីមើលថ្ងៃនេះផ្លេចឡើងទៅក្នុងនេះយើងមកភ្នំក្រោមដើម្បីមើលថ្ងៃនេះផ្លេចនេះមានផ្សារមួយដែរអូខេÔi, trời đất ơi! Oh, it's so bad.
Nó phải ăn cái chả lông bên nó này, nó phải ăn cái chả lông bên nó ngọt, không ai yêu cái chả ấn lên score là bộ họ phải chụp không ai yêu người bây giờ này, cái chân bụng cái sòng va mày sòng va, lấy cái nam bộ còn lấy cái nam bộ
cặp cặp bảy phật này
còn ở cả cái bảy cái gì cặp thì gì cái
tròn cặp bánh anh đang chỉ trôi mà đi bây giờ anhประมาณตะไหมเนาะมาจำเฮียงเป็นใบให้เมียนกาชุกเนื้อขมได้ต้องฟิตเมามาดอกประสาทตักปรุงได้มีตามเชื้อให้สองทางเชี่ยดำไรได้ตรกูลซีเด็ดมาได้ตรกูล
เมื่อเผากุดจงใส่สมุนขอบกุดจงให้ปิดสามสมุนขอบอยู่ในเพลินใช่อันที่นี่นะโจลี่นี่จะพบจังไหนนี่ของโหมดขนาดทะเลสบายสบายบายโชว์ดูดิเกี่ยวกับตรง
อังกูรูไดโนเสาร์
นั่นเลยบ่างอบพนมสลับพนมบูชีดัดพนม
เก่งคล้ายๆสัตว์โดนนับเดิน
สัตว์វាធំจนมัน
โอเคมุมมือตีเนี่ยคุยทอดแบบนี้
Không biết thành ra môn nào này cũng lại
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ